Okay, very quickly let's look at how we might draw a chart of temperature over 12 months, average temperatures for example. So there's the month and we go average temp, and that's going to be in degrees Celsius. Okay, I think we might center that as usual. Okay, make it a bit wider. Right. Google Sheets has a very nice thing here. You don't have to type February, March. You can just drag down. It's beautiful. Look at that. Dead easy. So let's say January the average temperature is 6. February it's 4. March 6. April 10. May 15. June 20. It's a nice summer. 22 in July. 24 in August. 18 in September, 10 in October, 5 in November, and 2 in December. That's about right. So we've got our data. We now need to just select the data. Select it all and then say Insert Chart. Okay. Insert menu and then Chart. And oops, we get a nice chart. By default, we get a line chart, and we might not want that to be a line chart. So there are different chart types, chart styles. I'm just editing this. I'm going chart style. No, I'm not. There should be a chart type. Should be a chart type comes up, but I can't see it at the moment. Okay, when you click on the chart, to the right, you can't see it on here, but to the right you get a thing called the chart editor, and it says customize or setup. If you click on setup, then you can change the type of the chart. So a bar chart for temperature might look better. I think that's pretty good.